Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake gag. First, gather your ingredients: a good quality ice cream, milk, and any flavorings you desire. For a truly memorable gag, consider using a very thick ice cream base and perhaps some unexpected flavor additions. This will ensure your milkshake has the right consistency and surprise element for your prank. Let's get started with the basics. To achieve that perfect gag texture, the key is to use significantly less milk than you normally would. This creates a super thick, almost spoonable milkshake. Blend your ingredients on a low setting to prevent too much air from incorporating, which can make it too frothy. If you want an extra dense result, a tiny bit of cornstarch or a similar thickening agent can be added, but be careful not to overdo it. The goal is a challenging, fun consistency. Now for the presentation, which is crucial for the gag. Serve your extra thick milkshake in an opaque cup, perhaps with a wide straw that still struggles with the density. You could even add a surprising, harmless topping or a hidden, edible element at the bottom for an extra laugh. The fun comes from watching someone try to drink this incredibly dense concoction, expecting a normal milkshake. It's all in good fun, of course. After the laughter subsides, be prepared for a bit of cleanup, as these gags can sometimes get a little messy. Have some paper towels or a sponge handy. This type of prank is all about lighthearted fun, so consider exploring other harmless food-related gags for your next gathering. And speaking of cleanup, if you want to make your life easier, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for tackling those unexpected spills and keeping your home spotless, even after a fun prank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.